Hello everyone. We have here a very interesting job. It's a fordranger 2009, which he came to us following an extensive problem which has been tried to be fixed by several garages, and they couldn't do it. The cooling system was keep pressurizing, although the car had a new radiator, new water pump, some coolant hoses. The problem was still there. What we have done after we started with the pressure test, we concluded no leaks were present. We have tested the EGR cooler, that was fine, and then we proceed in removing the cylinder head. This is the cylinder head, to have a proper inspection on the head and on the block. Doing so, what we conclude the problem was on the cylinder number 4. So those white marks, their indication water was going in that cylinder. In comparison with the other one, which they are clean as they were supposed to be. So we have concluded at this stage the problem was on the cylinder number 4, and upon a closer inspection on the cylinder, those are the cylinders where the pistons are. What we have found, a hairline crack on the cylinder. This is very unusual to be seen on the cylinders, however it does happen from time to time. So what it is, this crack is communication between the combustion chamber and coolant system, and all the compression will go into coolant system, and therefore the engine will overheat, and obviously will cause coolant to be taken outside the expansion tank. So a hairline crack, which will cause a massive problem. It's not going to be an easy repair. The block has to be repaired or replaced. Quite an extensive job, but we found this very interesting to be shown. Thanks for watching.